talk about the tips and tricks which can be used on a Samsung Galaxy J6 smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy J6 smartphone runs on Android 8.0 Oreo with the Samsung own Experience UI 9.0, which comes with a ton of customization. Let's see which can be used on a Galaxy J6, also some other Samsung phones. The first up is the outdoor mode. It does not come with a auto brightness sensor, so you can enable the outdoor mode. Then we have the blue light filter, which reduces the amount of light on the screen. You can also enable it from the notification panel. Then you can enable font size or a font style which you need. You can customize your home screen layout from the home screen. You can also change the home screen grid and app screen grid. Also the app buttons. You can hide or show the apps button. You can also hide the unwanted apps from here. You can also change the navigation bar, enable or disable it. Then we have this, you can change the wallpaper and themes from wallpaper and themes. Additional features. It comes with a game mode which help while playing the games. You don't get the notifications and all. Then the one hand mode. Swipe up diagonally from either bottom of the corner to enable the one screen mode. Then we have the fingerprint scanner capture. Just swipe from the top and bottom to get a notification panel, or swipe from the bottom to top. Then the multi-window mode, which lets you use the two apps simultaneously. Also the pop-up view mode. You can open the another app when the full screen is on. Then we have the palm swipe to capture. Just swipe the palm from the right to left to capture the screenshot. You can also capture screenshot from by volume down and power up button. Then we have the easy mute. Just swipe the hand over the screen to mute the incoming calls. Then we have the dual messenger. You can use this two separate accounts for the same app. There is also the chat over video mode.